Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by locking scope and tools so progress is immediate. Choose a focused set of tasks and a deployment channel, then pick a model and framework that fit latency and cost goals. Once done, provision a dev environment and secure API keys. Gather 101,000 representative dialogues and label intents quickly. This gives clean signals for training. Make sure to include a privacy checklist and a minimal test harness so you can run end-to-end checks from day one. You now implement the assistant's brain and plumbing. Map intents, slots, and context transitions in a clear dialogue graph, then convert examples into training data and fine-tune, or configure the NLU with a 70/30 train/validation split. Once trained, wire the model to your backend. User auth, a small DB for state, and any external APIs. Make sure to add deterministic fallbacks and logging so you can trace bad responses, and run iterative tests after each integration step. You finish by deploying progressively and watching behavior under real load. Push to staging, run smoke tests, and then roll out canary or blue/green to limit blast radius. Monitor latency, intent accuracy, error rates, and user satisfaction signals. Log examples for retraining. Once done, schedule regular retrains and security patches. If the assistant answers incorrectly, reproduce the example, add it to training data, and adjust fallback thresholds. This single troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.